how to change Facebook app language on iPhone. There are multiple languages on Facebook that you can choose from. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your device. At the bottom panel, you could see a lot of icons. At the very right, you should see the menu option. Click on that. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then here, under the option Dark Mode, you will see App Language. Now this will open App Info of Facebook. If you scroll down, then there's a section of Preferred Language. Right now the language has been set to English. Click on that and here you will see different kind of language from where you can select the one that you like. Click on any of these to select it. Once it is selected, go back and your Facebook will turn into that language. You can also do it directly by simply going to settings and searching for Facebook. Now open the Facebook app here. Now at the bottom you could see the language option. So by using these two methods, you can change the app language on Facebook. That's all for today. Thank you.